Research questions and objectives. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about formulating research questions and objectives for experimental research in English language teaching, or ELT. As you might know, research questions and objectives are crucial components of any research study. But how do we formulate effective research questions and objectives for experimental research in ELT? Let's find out. Section 1. What are research questions and objectives? Research questions and objectives are statements that define the purpose and direction of a research study. They help to guide the research process and provide a clear focus for the study. Section 2. Elements of effective research questions and objectives. Effective research questions and objectives for experimental research in ELT should include the following elements. 1. Clarity. The research questions and objectives should be clear and concise. 2. Relevance. They should be relevant to the research problem and the existing literature in the field. 3. Specificity. They should be specific and focused on a particular aspect of the research problem. 4. Feasibility. They should be feasible to address with the resources available. 5. Measurability. They should be measurable, so that the researcher can collect and analyze data to answer them. Section 3. Tips for formulating research questions and objectives. Here are some tips for formulating effective research questions and objectives for experimental research in ELT. 1. Start with the research problem. The research questions and objectives should be directly related to the research problem. 2. Use the literature to inform your questions. Review the existing research in the field to identify gaps or areas where further research is needed. 3. Be specific and focused. The research questions and objectives should be specific and focused on a particular aspect of the research problem. 4. Use clear and concise language. Avoid using overly technical or complex language that may confuse the reader. 5. Ensure feasibility. Make sure that the research questions and objectives are feasible to address with the resources available. 6. Use action verbs. Use action verbs to make the objectives clear and measurable. Section 4. Example research questions and objectives. Here is an example of effective research questions and objectives for experimental research in ELT. Research questions. 1. How does the use of digital technology in the classroom affect EFL learners' motivation to learn English? 2. What is the impact of incorporating task-based language teaching, TBLT, on EFL learners' writing proficiency compared to traditional grammar instruction? Objectives. 1. To investigate the effect of digital technology on EFL learners' motivation to learn English, as measured by pre- and post-intervention surveys. 2. To compare the writing proficiency of EFL learners who receive TBLT instruction with those who receive traditional grammar instruction, as measured by pre- and post-intervention writing assessments. Section 5. Conclusion. Formulating research questions and objectives is an essential step in designing an effective experimental research study in ELT. By following these tips and including the necessary elements, you can create research questions and objectives that are clear, relevant, specific, feasible, and measurable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.